Hey guys, welcome to my channel D.I.Y Yud. Today I'm going to change the day running light on this Volkswagen Golf City. I'll change both the right side and the left side. I will start with the left side as it's a bit more complicated. So here are the two Phillips screws that we need to remove and then we'll get this plastic cover out. Remove these two screws. Then pull up this plastic cover just like that. Here is a bulb for the high beam. It's easy to access, but for the day running light bulb, low beam, it's here inside, so it's difficult for my hand to get there. So there's two ways: either we move the battery out or pull the headlight assembly out. I will choose to move the headlight assembly out as it will be much more easier for me. So I'll start by removing these four Torx screws. It's a T15 Torx. So once all the screws are removed, so just pull out the fender liner just like that. Then there are two bolts that we need to remove from the bottom of the car. So I jack up the car and I'll get down to show you where are the two bolts that hold the bumper on the left side. We don't need to remove the whole bumper, we just need to pull it out a bit so that we can access the two bolts for the headlights. So from the bottom, here are the two 8mm bolts that need to be removed for the bumper. Once the bolts are removed, then pull the bumper just like that so that we can access bolts for the headlight. And now see, we can see the two bolts. So I use a 8mm socket extension and a ratchet to remove these two bolts. Once these two down bolts are removed, then we can remove the upper ones. Now we pull out the headlight assembly just like that. Now it's much more easier to access the bulb. So here's the caps that we need to remove. Just we'll turn it counterclockwise and it pops out. Inside there is this push spring. Push it and push it on the left side. Then we can access the bulb. Once the bulb is out, then we wiggle the plug and remove the bulb. Place the new bulb. As you can see, I'm holding the bulb with the base, not the gloss of the bulb, because this is an halogen bulb. Place a bulb back inside, see if it fits correctly. Then put back the spring. Put the plug back and place the cap back also. Now we'll do the reverse process of removing the headlight. We'll just put back the headlight, then we'll put back the bolts. So the bolt doesn't need to be too tight, just snug. We'll do for the top also. Then place back the plastic cover that we removed earlier. Put back the screws. Then we put back the bumper as it was like before, just like that. Once the bumper is in place, we'll put back the 2 screws that we removed earlier, and we'll put the 4 screws for the fender liner. Next, we'll move on to the right side. So the right side is pretty much simple. We don't need to remove the headlight. Just remove the cap, and we can access the bulb the same way that we access it on the left side. Put back the cover. Now we are done. The lights are on. Good sign. So guys, if you like that video, please subscribe, click the like button and share it to the maximum.